Let's work on worksheet 3. The main idea is finding derivative of these functions. Let's work on the first one. Y is equal to x squared plus x cubed to power 4. So you want to find y prime. There are two functions. Think about it that this right here is the inside function and to power 4 is the outside function. So imagine that this is a box to power 4. So by chain rule, we would say derivative of the box, which you bring 4 to the back, subtract 1, and then multiply by derivative of inside. So by derivative of x squared plus x cubed. So let's do that. So that would be 4 times x squared plus x cubed to power 3. That's the outside function. Multiply, chain rule says multiply by derivative of inside. So inside is x squared plus x cubed. Derivative of x squared is 2x plus derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. So basically for each of them, you bring 2 to the front, subtract 1. So that's 2x to power 1. And then you bring 3 to the front, that's this 3. And you subtract 1 from the power, and that's 2. Okay, next. So you can leave it like that. You don't need to distribute anything. So that would be sufficient for the test. So finding y prime of the next one. So in here, you have multiplication of two functions. So you need to realize that this is a function x squared multiplied by function of sine of pi x. So y prime is derivative of the first one. So derivative of x squared times the second plus derivative of the second. Derivative of the second is cosine of pi x times pi, because derivative of sine of pi x, the outside function is sine x, times derivative of inside, derivative of pi x is pi. So derivative of the second times the first. Again, you may leave it like this for the test. There are ways to simplify, like factoring x from here, or clean it up a little bit, but then this is sufficient for the test. Okay, number 9. Y prime ln of x times ln of x. So let's just look at here. Ln as of outside function, and inside the box we have x ln x. Let me just sort of highlight this one. So you have, this is the inside function, and then this is the outside function. Okay, so that's equal to derivative of outside. Just imagine that it's ln of box. So ln of box, ln of green, is 1 over the box times derivative of inside the box. Now I need to deal, because that's inside the box, now I need to deal with inside the box. So y prime is 1 over x ln x, rewriting, times, now dealing with this piece, it's multiplication of two functions. Derivative of x times ln x plus derivative of ln x times x. So derivative of the first one times the second plus derivative of the second times the first. Derivative of first times second plus derivative of second. Derivative of second is derivative of ln x, which is 1 over x, times the first. Okay, so now you may simplify here. X and x cancels, so you would have 1. So here is how we can simplify. Rewriting. On top, we have ln x, this one, plus 1. And on the bottom, we have x ln x. There are many other ways to simplify this one.